Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. Find out why everyone values their experience with us and keeps coming back over and over again. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions anytime.